Welcome to my home. I'd like to take you through Emma's Secret Garden memory folder. I have made this as a gift, and it is made from Studio 28E digital papers. The first set is called Emma, and the second set is the Blueberry Eco Dyed paper. They go well together since the Emma kit has a primarily blue accent color to it. So this is a file folder where I have sewn gussets onto the side and added a CD case with three envelope flip. It is held together with lace. And of course I'll put a knot in it. No, there it goes. So the first thing you see is this collage piece here that is made from the digital paper. I've printed the entire kit, not the Blueberry Eco paper, but the entire Emma kit, onto coffee dyed paper to create a little bit more grunge. I quite like that style, that look, and it seemed to work very well with these papers. So it starts with a CD case. I have coffee dyed it, and then I've cut out pieces from the digital paper Emma to make the embellishments. Here is a tag from the digital kit. Well, I printed the kit out twice, once at full size and then the second time at a quarter size, so that I had lots of pieces to embellish with. The CD case flips up, and then you have a doily digital from the kit, which is a nice writing space backed onto blue background paper from the digital kit. And inside the CD case is another little journal for memory keeping in, with lace and then pieces from the digital kit. Again, my coffee dyed paper and then paper from the kit. This is grid paper from my stash. I have used the same washi tape throughout and used the digital cutouts. A little flip-up notepad, more of the Blueberry Eco dye, I love that page. And then that just secrets itself away in there. Then you have this envelope that has been collaged, and inside the envelope is a long tag that has been backed on the Eco Dye paper with a cutout, and then it flips over and you've got some grid paper with, again, the Eco Dye background paper and cutouts from the Emma kit. This flips open like that, and then you have a tag made up of cutouts from the Emma paper. I can just imagine a little girl finding this in her grandmother's attic and going through it with all the memories. This is paper from the kit and a nice writing space. That then all folds up. Ties up. And then the file folder has a pocket in which other mementos and treasures can be kept. And it's another little book. This is from the spine. This paper is from the kit, as is this, and this is the Eco Dye Blueberry paper. This is the only other piece that's not from the kit, and it's just a Peter Rabbit cutout that I had in lying on my desk. And another tag made from papers from the kit and some lace. And this pops back into this folder. The inside of the file folder, there is lots of space for a young lady to keep lots of treasures. And then there are 2 journals. These are pages from the kit, and we'll go through this one first. It is a paper journal using a manila folder as the behind the papers. This is the blueberry digital paper, and then this is from Emma with lace to keep the binding in. So inside each journal is another mini journal. I'm working around a tripod, trying a new placement. This is my coffee dyed paper. Studio 28E has some coffee dyed paper, and it is beautiful. That's lovely paper. Digital paper from the kit. Again from the kit. I love this center page. This again is from the kit, and it's a letter entitled Emma. The paper has many elements you can use as cutouts to collage onto papers. I like writing journals, so I like lots of space for writing on, and then embellishments to add interest to each page. At the end of each one of the 2 journals, there are the leftover pieces from the book, from the kit that I didn't use, that I printed out, and I've included those. There's a pocket that the owner of this journal can then use to embellish herself if she wishes. And the second journal, very much like the same, but uses some of the same papers and different ones. Again, there is a small journal. Emma. This paper is from the kit. This is a beautiful writing page from the kit. second signature. Love this background paper. Center of the last signature. And again, the pieces of the kit that I didn't use and I've included in the back of the journal. So I hope you have enjoyed the flip through, and I would encourage you to look at the papers that Studio 28E has. The Emma package was perfect for this Christmas present that I want to give. Thank you very much.